I'm Ashley King, and this is your Fox 16 job alert. AT&T is looking for a customer service representative. This position pays $16.52 per hour. You'll answer calls from customers with billing issues, technical issues, or general questions regarding service. 1 year customer service work experience is preferred. The United States Postal Service is hiring a PSE mail processing clerk. You will sort and distribute mail. This position pays $17.19 per hour and requires prolonged standing, walking, bending, and reaching. You may have to lift containers up to 70 pounds. The U.S. Department of Defense is looking for a store associate to work at the commissary at the Little Rock Air Force Base. You'll assist customers with questions, operate the cash register, and gather inventory data. You must have 1 year of general experience or 2 full years of education above high school, or a combination of experience and education. The position pays between $12.90 and $16.76 per hour. UA Little Rock has a number of openings. The university is hiring an SIS programmer analyst, an application administrator, an IT system administrator, and an associate director of infrastructure and systems. Now, for more information on these jobs, to see other available listings, head on over to fox16.com, click on the community tab at the top of the page, and go down to Job Alert. If you have a job that you would like me to feature, be sure to email me at jobalerts@fox16.com. I am Ashley King, and I will see you live from my home on Good Day Arkansas from 7 a.m. to 9 right here on Fox 16.